Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial for GGRC12. Today I'm going to show you the key points in Lab1 Task 2. Please find the tutorial videos at my YouTube channel. I will upload pre-recorded videos to the channel every week. In this exercise, you are going to open and check the attribute tables and do some basic calculations. Now let's start from Task 2A, calculating and mapping car mode share. Open the map in Classic View. In the Content tab, go to the layer TAZs and open the attribute table. In the table options, add field. Now we can add field into the attribute table. Give the field a name. Let's use Car Pro 24 hour. And set the type as double. And then click on Add New Field. Then you will see there is a new field in the attribute table. Click on the field name and select Calculate. There are two methods. I will use SQL, and you can try Arcade. SQL is quite straightforward. You can just click on the variable name and put it into the expression box. Then you just click on Calculate. After that, you will see the results of the calculation. Then you can follow the steps in Task 1 to create your map and export it as a layout. I will not show you here. I'm now going to show you the key points in Task 2B, comparison between car trips and transit trips. Similarly, open the attribute table and add a field as car versus transit, and click on the new field, select Calculate. I will use SQL too, and I'm going to put the formula into the expression box. So car versus transit equals to car share divided by transit share. Here, I'm going to add a small number to transit share because some of the values are 0, and I'm going to make it a valid expression. Click on Calculate, then you will see the results in the new field. I'm going to set the styles in the new map viewer. Similarly, just follow the steps in Task 1 and make sure your field is car versus transit. You can choose colors here, and I'm not going to show the outline of the symbol. And open classify data, and I set the method as manual breaks. We're going to use 4 breaks, and you can manually adjust the labels here. You click Done, and you can save your map. Remember to export it as a layout so you can insert it into your assignment. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week.